Python scripting offers a powerful way to automate file and folder operations, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. By leveraging Python's libraries, tasks like organizing, renaming, and moving files can be automated, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. This approach not only saves time, but also allows for scalable solutions, from simple scripts to complex enterprise-level automation. Automating file and folder operations enhances time efficiency by freeing up hours for strategic tasks. It reduces human errors like accidental deletions and misplacements. Python's standard libraries offer scalable solutions, from simple scripts to enterprise-level automation, making it an essential tool for efficient file management. Python's OS module provides low-level access to directory contents and file renaming. The Shuttle module excels in high-level operations like copying and moving files. Pathlib offers object-oriented path manipulation, enabling elegant directory creation and pattern matching. Together, these modules streamline file automation, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual effort. Before automation, managing files is challenging due to unsorted files, mixed formats, duplicates, and outdated versions. The lack of organization makes locating specific files difficult. Manual sorting, especially in cluttered downloads folders, demands time and effort. Automation solves these issues by applying consistent, repeatable logic, streamlining file organization efficiently. To efficiently manage directories, start by determining your current location with os.getcwd.parenthesis. Navigate dynamically using os.dir.path.parenthesis. Enumerate contents with os.listdir. Open parenthesis path close parenthesis to list all files and subdirectories. Classify items using os.path.isFile open parenthesis and os.path.isdir. Close parenthesis for precise operations. These steps streamline file management, enhancing productivity and organization. Utilize os.getCWD to identify your current directory. List all items with os.listdir, then filter files by extension using list comprehensions. For a modern approach, employ Pathlib's path and glob methods to efficiently locate specific file types, such as Python and CSV files, enhancing your directory management capabilities.